how 3D bioprinting can revolutionize your health tech startup. What if your health tech startup could print human tissue on demand? Sounds like science fiction, but it's already happening. 3D bioprinting isn't just the future of medicine. It could be the competitive edge your startup is missing. 3D bioprinting uses bioinks made of living cells to print complex biological structures, like skin, cartilage, and even mini organs. For startups in health tech, this opens doors to groundbreaking innovation, investment, and impact. So how does it work? Using advanced printers, cells are layered in precise patterns that mimic natural tissue. These printed structures are then cultured to grow and function like real biological materials. How can your startup leverage this? Personalized medicine. Imagine printing tissues that match a patient's exact DNA. Your startup could offer custom drug testing, reducing trial and error prescriptions, and improving treatment outcomes. Tissue engineering. Startups are already creating lab-grown skin for burn victims and cartilage for joint repair. Bioprinting enables faster development, fewer donor dependencies, and scalable healing solutions. Pharma testing. Replace animal testing with 3D printed human tissue. It's faster, more ethical, and generates higher accuracy in drug trials, giving your business a strong R&D edge. Surgical simulation. Provide hyper-realistic printed organs for training surgeons. It's safer, repeatable, and improves real-world performance. Getting started means partnering with bioprinting labs, investing in high-resolution printers, and securing bioinks specific to your application. Regulatory understanding is critical, especially if you're printing for patient use. 3D bioprinting isn't just innovation, it's disruption with purpose. If your health tech startup is ready to stand out, improve lives, and attract bold investors, this is your moment. Want more game-changing ideas? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest in health tech innovation and startup strategy.